Hey folks, hope you're all well. Oh, it's just nice to get out and breathe and get away from that total chaos and absurdity of political mayhem that's going on out there, and be in the sanctuary of your own little plot, your own garden, your own balcony, your own allotment, just being with yourself, with your thoughts, and away from all that bollocks that's going to hell in a wobbly go-kart. Just get involved in digging, planting, nature stuff. This is what matters, not that BS out there. Cut your grass, plant your bulbs, prune your trees, do stuff that makes you happy. Well, one last cucumber. Not big, but it will do. As you can see, I've been harvesting some seeds and starting to put them all in envelopes. Thing is, I think the mice are going to get these, so I better put them somewhere safe quick. So now's the time to think about cutting, well not think, actually cut back the Virginia creeper. Same time every year. It's a big job, bit of a pain in the butt, but we do love the colour of the leaves when they change. It's fantastic. The whole side of the garage is covered, and it used to actually arch over onto the central plant area on the right hand side of the steps. You know, literally used to cut all the light out of the sunroom we had down there. So we've cut it back year after year, a bit more each time. We don't get rid of it, we're just trying to manage it. Now onto the squash. The ones actually planted in the beds were crap, basically. They didn't work at all. But these self-seeded ones that are in the compost went absolutely mad, and they literally climbed all the way up the Leylandii. So basically I'm going to take a tip from nature, and I'm only going to plant them in the compost next season, and again hope they use the Leylandii. Another one done. Thanks for joining us. Keep positive. Keep gardening. Do what makes you happy. We'll catch you next time.